everyone, how are you all? Yes, I hope all of you are fine and doing well at your home in this pandemic situation. So, in the last class, I told you about something Windows 10. So, today we are going to learn something more about Windows 10. So, we are going to learn the parts of the Windows 10. So, what do you mean by parts? The things that you can see on the screen, that is the parts, right? So already this is the wallpaper, these are the icons. Okay, so today we are going to learn something more. So first we are going to learn about taskbar. So what do you mean by taskbar? See, the bar that you can see on the bottom of the desktop, this is your desktop screen. So this is known as the taskbar, the whole from here to here. So this is known as taskbar. Okay, so in the taskbar you can see the start button, the Cortana search box, task view icon, open program icons and clock. Everything is present over there. Okay, so now we are going to learn about start button. So in the start button, where is the start button? This one, the left corner of the taskbar. This is known as the start button. So in the start button, all the application, all the programs are used by this. So when you click on it, so how can I do the click? The left button. So when I click on it, see there are some parts are showing to me here. So the whole is known as start menu. Okay, so in the start menu you can see there are so many options are present. It is divided into three parts. So the left side, right side and the middle part. Okay, so in the left part you can see the icon list. The left section you can see the icon list. Then the middle part shows the apps that installed or not installed in your phone. All the apps are showing over here. Then after, in the right section you can see the tiles. These are known as the tiles. Okay, so now come to learn about Cortana search box. So search box, what do you mean by search box? Search box means where we search anything. So the search box is, look, type here to search. So here we can search in anything, about the application or about something. But if you want to search here about some application that must be installed in your computer, if I search anything else, then it is showing me that you are not connected to the internet. Okay, look, I search over Facebook. When I click on enter, look, there is no internet connection, you are not connected. So you can search anything over there. For that it needed the internet connection. Okay, if you want to search something that installed in your computer, then it is showing to me. Look, Office Word, it opening. Yes, it is installed in my computer, that's why it is showing to me. If it is not installed, then it is not going to show me. So just near the search box you can see there is a oval shape, talk to Cortana. So the Cortana search box and search box, these are two different. So talk to Cortana means the normal Cortana search box. So when I click on it, a new window will open. Look, it is listening over here.
I can't connect at the moment. Try again in a little bit.
Why it is showing this message? Because in this PC there is no internet connection. So you can see a mic symbol is here, just like the Google Talk. When we search something, we can also do the searching by providing our voice like this. Here we can do the same. So when I click on it, this, just look here, listening symbol is showing me.
Sorry, the internet and I aren't talking right now.
So the internet connection is not there, that's why it is not able to connect and it is not going to answering your query. So to solve your queries, it is needed the internet connection. Okay, now we are going to learn about task view icon. So what do you mean by task view icon? So in the task bar you can see there is the icon, this icon, that is your task view icon. So when we click on it, look, task view showing over here. So when I click it, it shows me the open application. There is no open application except the MS Word. That's why just one icon, so the one application shown to me. So this is your open application. Okay, now come to open program icon. So when you minimize the program, I minimize the MS Word. Look, minimize, which one is the minimize? The just like the minus symbol. Okay, this is a minimize button. So it is showing to me in the taskbar. So taskbar shows us so many things. So open program icons means which program you open, that program shortcut is showing over here. Okay, so that we can do it whenever we need it. When I put the cursor over on it, you can see there is a preview shown to me, document Microsoft Word. When I put the cursor on it, it shows me in large size. When I click on it, then I am going to directly to this application. I am not going to open the application again. Understood? Now come to clock. This displays the current time and date. You can see the date and time is showing to me. Okay. The date and time is showing to me. So this much for this Windows application, Windows 10. I am using the Windows 10. That's why this application, these features are given to it in this operating system. So I hope all of you clear what I taught today. Okay, so just stay safely at your home and live your life properly. Thank you.